4.1 seconds to 100, 487 horsepower through all four wheels, a battery that charges from 10 to 80% in 12 minutes, and a starting price of €51,600. The XPENG G6 all-wheel drive Performance Black Edition is either the most aggressively priced performance EV coupe in Europe or a signal that every established rival has been overcharging. After this walk-around at the Brussels Motor Show, both feel true at the same time. 4,758 mm long, 1,920 wide, but the coupe roofline compresses the mass into something lower and more planted than the numbers suggest. Black 20-inch alloys and black side trim pull the stance downward. Inside, the G6 strips the dashboard to its essentials, then adds enough material quality to justify the approach. Dark Nappa leather, ambient lighting across zones, and a 15.6-inch touchscreen running the XOS software without lag. The redesigned steering wheel has physical buttons. A digital rearview mirror replaces the traditional glass. There is no glove box, and that absence is noticeable. But the deep storage beneath the center console compensates, and the voice assistant responds to 4 separate cabin zones. The front seats sit lower than most electric SUVs in this class, closer to a sedan. The Nappa leather has genuine side bolstering. Massage function is standard. The panoramic glass roof runs the full cabin length and floods the space with light. A driver display keeps speed and range visible without glancing right. I expected the minimalist layout to feel empty. It feels deliberate. The rear cabin is where the 2,890mm wheelbase earns its keep. Sit behind a 6-foot driver and your knees still clear. The floor is completely flat. Rear seatbacks recline through 12 positions, turning a motorway run from tolerable to comfortable. Rear air vents are standard, a fold-down armrest between the outer seats, but no cup holders inside it, an auto mission at this price. ISOFIX on both outer positions. A weekend trip with 2 large suitcases and a folded pushchair. 571 liters with the seats up, around 20.2 cubic feet, handles it without rearranging. Fold the rears and you reach 1,374 liters, around 48.5 cubic feet. Not as deep as a Model Y, and the sloping glass limits taller items. That is the trade for the coupe profile. No frunk on this European specification. 487 horsepower from dual motors, 660 Nm from 0 RPM. The car does not build toward that torque, it starts there. 510 km WLTP range, around 317 miles. 800-volt architecture, 451 kilowatts peak DC charging, 12 minutes from 10 to 80%. That is a coffee stop. You order, sit down, and the car is ready before you finish. Heat pump standard, €51,600. This Brussels show car adds the Midnight Black package at €1,000 and an electric tow bar at $1,190, totaling $53,790. A Tesla Model Y Performance costs more and charges slower. What it cannot match is the 12-minute charging time, the single figure that changes the ownership calculation for anyone relying on public infrastructure. The G6 does not ask you to compromise for the price. It asks why you are paying more elsewhere. Whether that question has a good answer depends on how much the badge matters to you. For a growing number of buyers, it matters less than it used to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.